Okay, okay. All right. Once again, I want to welcome everybody to this call. All right. So these are free Forex uh course or a group where we teach ourselves how to trade Forex, all right? So we are on to this class, we're going to be talking about the step-by-step guide on how to use the MT4 application. All right, guys. So this video is going to be uploaded on our YouTube channel. Okay. If today is your first time of seeing our video on our YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so that others can you know get to find this video and gain value that we are getting from this together. All right. So without wasting much time, I'm going to be sharing my screen. I'm going to be sharing my screen. Okay, please just hold on, hold on, hold on. I'm going to be sharing my screen. Please just hold. Let me share. Share screen. Please hold on.
I do. No, I don't do around. If you want just send pass.
Let me see, guys. Right. Can you guys see my screen, please? Can you guys see my screen? Can you guys see my screen? Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Talk to me. All right. Okay. So this for the trade analyzed yesterday, and I'm currently in the trade. All right. So I'm currently in the trade. I'm supposed to take it from here. All right. So, but this is not what we are doing today. All right. So how many of us registered with the broker yesterday? How many of us registered?
I did.
Okay. That's good. That's good. So the MT4 application, you can either get it from the Metatrader for website, which is metatrader4.com or thereabout, or you can download it from your broker directly. All right. So if you are going to be trading with a particular broker, it's advisable to download it from your own broker. Most brokers offer it. All right. So this is my Anzo Capital. All right. This is their website. So if you want to download it from their website, all you just have to do is this: just click on platform here. All right. You see Metatrader 4. You write Metatrader 4 and 5 at the top here. You see the MT4, MT5 web trader. This is for mobile. This is for web terminal. So we are using the system, all right, computer. So we'll go for this first one. We're supposed to see MT4 for Windows, all right. This is a MacBook, but I'm using my parallel screen. Right, I'm using the Windows version of my Mac. So we're going to be downloading the platform for Windows. All right, as you can see at here, you see MT4 for Windows, MT5 for Windows, MT4 for Mac, MT5 for Mac. So I'm going to go for MT4 for Windows. All right, so let's just download quickly. All right, you can see at down here it's downloading. All right, I'm taking you guys from the uh, initial step, how to download it and everything. All right. So when you download it, you just open it like this. All right. So click yes. Then just click next. All right. Next, it's downloading. Blah blah blah. So you wait for it to download. All right. If you're with your laptop, you can just follow me. You can follow me as I'm doing this so that you can get to understand it properly, or you can as well watch the recording later that will be sent in the group. All right. So we click on finish. Click on finish. So it's gonna load up right now. Right. Going to load up. Okay. So this is the MT4 application. Don't need this, don't need this, fix this, don't need, all right, so this is it, all right, so what am I going to do now? I'm going to log in my, I have a demo account there, I have a demo account, let me get the login details, all right, let me get the login details, a minute please guys. Okay, so also capital demo, all right. This is the planning. All right, this is the best thing I'm going to do. I'm going to show you on server. If you are trading with the live account, you select the next option here, which is the live. Now I'm using the demo, so the demo is already highlighted. So I click on next. All right, so then you click on this existing trade account, right? You already have a trade account with Anzo Capital. You don't want to open a new one, so right, just click on existing account. Then the login info would have been sent to your email. For those of us who have opened the demo account with Azo Capital, you would have gotten your login details on your email. All right. So I'm going to log in this account now. 6, 9. All right. I'm going to put the password. Password. Please. Um, Password has to be case sensitive. So trying. Let me see if it will work. Let me see if it will work. All right. All right. See here the done. Words. Can you see where my mouse is currently? Can you guys see this? Where my mouse is? All right, down here. Invalid account. Hello, are we together on this call?
Yes, yes, we are.
All right, so because I entered the wrong information, showing invalid account. So once you just tap it here, once you tap this place, this is down here showing red. Once you tap it, you can see login. All right, just click on login. So let me try and log in again. I think I missed the password. It's case sensitive, so please bear with me. Let me try again. See. See if it's gonna work. All right, boom. I've logged in, right? You can see it down here. It's no longer showing the valid account. So I've logged into the account, right? As you can see here, this is the balance of the account, 4,000, blah, 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 dollars, all right? So basically, this is the MP4 application, right? This is where it's going to appear for you on your computer, all right? Right now, it's showing us multiple screens, like it's showing us chart for USD, it's showing us chart for USD JPY, yeah, GBP, USD, and USD CHF. So I want to maximize the one for GBP USD, all right, so that we can have just one screen. We can be viewing just one screen, all right, on our MP4 application. All right. So let me just wait right this opens up this time. But with time, you get to understand the platform, how it works, and all that. All right. So just for you to play around with it. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right. So this is the chart. All right. This is the chart. Yeah. GBP, USD. All right. So basically, there are a lot of information here, a lot of information here on this place that you can use. All right. If you can look at the left hand side of my screen, you see different currency pairs here. Different currency pairs. Let me see if I can get my.
Profit. Take profit. Bid ask.
Right. Yeah, right. Can you see where I circled down? Right, can you see
Yes.
I circled?
Yes.
All right, please. All right, these are the currency pairs. All right, this is where you get all the currency pairs. All right, so let's move on. Let's move on. Let's move on. So, all right, so as you can see, this is the chart. All right, these are candlesticks. All right, these are candlesticks. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in so you guys can see properly what the chart is right now. All right, so these are candlesticks. All right, so sometimes when you download your MT4, it won't just it won't start showing candlestick. Some of them will start showing like this. All right, bars, then line. All right, so you can just change it to candlestick here. This is the candlestick option here. Let me get my annotation so that you guys can see properly. Okay, so this is the candlestick here. You can see it, right? I see I circled. That's the candlestick, all right? So you can just once you select this, you see the candlestick. All right, so let me put it back on the candlestick. All right, so then also when you open your chart, you see this grid sign. All right, these these boxes all over the chart. If you want to clear that, all you just have to do is just click on Control G. All right, Control G, and it will clear off. All right. Then if you also tap on Control G again, Control G, it will come back up on your screen. All right. So we would want that off our chart so that we can see properly. All right. So let's do Control G, and then it's off. All right. So what you are seeing here, these things you are seeing here are called candlesticks. All right. Are called candlesticks.
Slash USD. Now in my uncle. I use
All right. So I like to set up my chart like this. Please, hold on, please. Okay, I like to set up my chart like this. These are the settings I like to use. Let me set up. So once you right click on your chart, options will come out like this. All right, options will come out. So you go down to properties. Go down to properties. All right. So what we have here, the first one here is background. Background. So I like that to be something close to white, or no, not white, but something close to white. Let's see. Let's use snow. All right, let's use snow. Then the foreground, I like that to be black, right? Then the grid, we'll leave the grid color, we'll leave it, all right, because we already moved the grid, we don't need the grid anymore. So my back up, I like that to be green, all right, to be green. Then back down, I like that to be red, all right, so that my chart will be very clear. Then the bull candle, I also want that to be green, all right. Then the bear candle, I want that to be red. All right. Then every other thing, I leave it like this. All right. So click on OK. Can you guys see my chart properly now? Is it clearer? Is it better?
Yes.
All right. So it's better than it was before, right? So you can go, if you want to set up your chart, you can watch this video and use it to set up your chart like mine so that your chart will be very visible and clear. All right. So that it looks. All right. So if you have running trades here, okay, you can take this out. Let's see. So, like I said earlier, these are different currency pairs. All right. If you look at it down here, you see different short spot of currency that already opened down. All right. So it's like history of currency you last viewed will show here down here. So if you want to easily view them, you can just click on it, or you can come up to the side where you have different currency pairs. Okay. Now we are looking at GBP USD, right? So you can just take the first one here is Euro US. Once you place your cursor there, it will show you. It's showing Euro versus the US dollar, right? You can just left click your mouse, hold it down, and drag it to the chart page and leave it. It will just bring up the Euro USD chart currently, all right? Then also you can try that for this is now USD JPY. Just hold it down, drag it here, and drop it to just come up, voila, just like that. All right. So what we have at the top here, we have different time frames. All right. Time frame. All right. So the first time frame here is 1 minute. That is M1. M1 means 1 minute. What it means is this, that each of this candle here, each of this candle you are seeing here represents 1 minute. 1 minute, that this candle here formed within 1 minute. All right. The time now is 8:23 here. All right. By 8:24, you see that this green candle that's currently forming now will stop, and a new candle will start forming. All right. So each of the candles here represents 1 minute. So that's the meaning of these different time frames you are seeing. So if you are looking at the 1 minute chart, like you can be looking at, let's say, so it means that you need 60 candles. You need to count 60 candles from here to have gotten 1 hour. 60 candles from here. It means that from here you count 60 candles back to get 1 hour ago. All right. So let's just wait. You can see now this candle has stopped and a new candle has started forming since we entered a new minute. All right. New candle has started forming. That's good. So you see the M5 here. M5 means the 5 minutes chart. It means that each candle here opens and closes within 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes. All right. Are we together, guys?
Yes.
Okay, so the next time frame you are seeing here is what? 15 minutes time frame, and the next one 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly. The same thing applies to all of them. So this monthly chart now, this candle this is January. All right. This is all these candles are formed within 1 month. All right. So let me show you guys something. All right. So if you look at the left hand of my screen, you see something like a cross sign here. Here my cursor is right now. You see a cross sign here, right? So once you tap on this cross sign, tap on it, and then you come to your screen here, you start seeing this. Anywhere you place your cursor now, you see 2 lines, one horizontal line and one vertical line. All right. So the vertical line is telling you the date. All right. Let's place it on this candle. It will give us the date of the candle. As you can see here, showing 1st of January 2023. All right. If you place on the next candle, you see that this is on November. This is December candle. All right. This is December candle. All right. The month of December, and the vertical line or the horizontal line shows you the price. All right. The current price. All right. If you move it and you look at the right hand side, you see different prices. All right. These are the price level of the chart. So currently the price is at 129.897. All right. So these are different price level. All right. So this is weekly chart. So if we go to 1 hour chart, so this one will tell you that this is 26th of January 2023, and this was 2 o'clock candle. All right. You can see it. All of them will show you the hour of candle, because we are looking at the hourly chart. All right. So that's good. Basically, so Now let's go to placing a trade. All right. Okay. First of all, all right. What do I show you guys now? Okay, so if you want to insert, okay, there's something I like to show you guys. All right. Um, there are signs up here. Let me show you something. All right. Let's say we want to drag our chart back to look at old data or old information to analyze our chart. All right. So if you take your chart backward, you see that it keeps coming forward. Let's take it back. Take it back. Before you know it, it keeps coming forward. All right. So there are two buttons responsible for this. Two. All right. So let me show you them. Let me show you them. All right. So these are the two of them. Please hold on. These here. Can you guys see those two? Guys, please talk to me. Talk to me. Can you see it? Hello.
Yes, yes.
All right. All right. That's good. That's good. Don't worry. All this will make sense. All this will make sense in no time. I know. We are still new to Forex and all that, but with time, you guys will get familiarized with this 84 application, all right, and not to use to place trade, all right. I know we need motivation to start seeing money and all that to keep us running and fired up, but I tell you, Forex trading is a patient game, all right. It's a waiting game, all right. It's in Forex they say patience, all right. It means that when you are patient, you get paid, all right. So if I tap on this and then drag my screen to the end, it doesn't drag with me again. It doesn't come forward, all right? It doesn't come forward. I can take it back to whatever time I want to see the chart or check it. Then if I tap on it again, automatically it comes to the recent time, all right? Comes to recent time, all right? So that's that on that, all right? So if you want to place a trade, just do GBP USD. All right, I want to place a trade now. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so let's just place a random trade. All right, random trade. We don't want to analyze the market just to place a trade for trading sake. All right, trading sake, so that we can understand the market, or how to trade. So if you look at this place here, you see new order. All right, new order. Can you guys see new order? Here my cursor is right now.
Yes.
All right. So you want to place a trade, all you need to do, you just tap on new order. So once you tap on new order, as you can see, you see sell by market, you see buy by market here, right? So I taught you guys that you need to sell one currency against that currency, or buy one currency against that currency to be profitable in the market. All right. So let's say I give you guys a signal now and I tell you, okay, buy GBP USD. All right. So what the first thing you need to do, just come to your MT4 application and then you tap on new order. Once you tap on new order, you see this page here. All right. You see this page. So you can see this is the symbol, right? GBP USD, Great Britain pound against US dollar. Then the next thing you are seeing here is the volume. This is what we call lot size that I taught you guys about. Lot size. All right. So this is where you input the lot size you want to use to trade. Hope you guys can see my screen.
Yes, we
Yes.
can.
Okay. So this is where you input your lot size. Okay. So let's say okay 0.01. Let's say for someone who's trading with little amount, let's say you're trading with $100, and then you can just come here and then you can see the type here. This is called market execution. All right. We have different type of pattern of executing trade. All right. This is market execution. I will talk about all of them. Market execution. We have pending orders. All right. So pending orders are orders you can place on your trade and say, okay, I don't want to enter the trade right now. I don't want to enter the trade right now, but want to enter the trade when it gets to a certain point for me to enter the trade. Okay. So now let's buy GBP USD. Now I told you to buy GBP USD. Pum, pum, pum. I give you the stop loss, give you the take profit. All right. So we have bought. Okay. We have bought the trade now. So we click on OK. As you can see on the screen, you see it here. Buy. This is the level at which we bought it, 0.01. All right, this is the level at which we bought it. Okay. So now if you go down and look at it down where you can see your balance, you see balance. All right, and you see the trade you took on top of the balance. This is your history. This is where you get your history of your trade. You see your trade running here. This is buying 0.01 GBP USD. Order the price you entered, all right, the stop loss, the take profit, all right, the current price it is right now, and your profit or loss. So we are in profit now of $0.08, all right. It's showing us profit $0.09 right now. So now let's say for instance, I gave you the trade and you were such in a hurry to take the trade without imputing your stop loss and your take profit at the time, all right, and you want to impute that right now. All you need to do, just come here. Come in. This one on my computer is so slow. So you just come to the trade at the down here. You can see your trade down here. We are showing your trade is running. You can just come here, right? Click on it, and you see new order. You see close order. Probably you are okay with the profit you are seeing there now. You can just click on close order, and the trade will close. You see your money, all right? Or you can click on modify. Right? You can click on modify. Please mute yourself so I don't disturb the call. Mute yourself once you want to speak, all right? So you can see modify there. So now let me ask a question. Let me ask a question. Now we bought GBP USD. If we want to put our stop loss, let's say I give you guys, let's say I say, okay, 20 pips stop loss. 20 pips stop loss. What do you do? Do you multiply or do you add to get your stop loss when you buy? You subtract or do you add to get your stop loss when you buy? I said it in our last class. I know you asked me a question in the group. I think probably everybody understood this. All right, I need answers, please. Someone answer me. When you are buying, get your stop loss. What do you do? Please, guys, please respond. Hello, are we together on this call, guys?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
I think for that, we'll have to subtract.
Right? You subtract to get your stop loss, and then you add to get your take profit. That was what I said in the last class. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Blue. All right. So right now, okay, for instance, I gave you the trade and I say, okay, buy GBP USD, stop loss 20 pips, take profit 20 pips. All right. So I know I did not teach this in the last class. I did not teach you how to, calculate pips and all that, but it was on the material I sent. The material I sent for you guys to go and review. All right. So now, if you want to, let's say you want to get your 20 pips stop loss. All right. Now, if you look at your current price, your entry price was here. Let's say 1.23934. All right. 1.23934. And now I told you guys to use stop loss of 20 pips. This one means that you will minus 20 points because the price is showing you in points. All right. Price is showing you in points. All right. So you multiply the pips by 10, all right, to get the amount of points you'll be subtracting. Now, if I said 20 pips stop loss, it means that you multiply your 20 by 10, multiply it by 10, you get 200, all right, 200 points. So you are subtracting 200 points from your entry price to get your stop loss. All right, guys. Okay, let somebody do that calculation for me now. Let's say our entry price is 1.23918. All right, 1.23918 minus 200. Give me the figure, guys. Give me the figure. $1.23918 minus 200.
0.23718.
1.23718. All right, so this is the stop loss here. As you can see on my screen, it's written here stop loss. All right, this is where you beat your stop loss. All right. So I said our entry price just now was 1.23918. All right. Now we are going to get our take profit. Someone do the calculation of take profit of 30 pips. 30 pips take profit. Well, what would be the figure? Oh, what will we have there? 30 pips take profit. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. What will be our take profits? Hello? Who is doing that for me? Who is doing that for me? Let's go, let's go. Our entry is 1.23918. We want a take profit of 30 pips. What would you do? Hello, hello, hello. Is anybody on this call right now?
Hello, can you hear me?
1.24218.
1.24218. So what did you do to get that figure?
I multiplied times added. Is it on? Added is 300.
You added 300.
300.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. You added 300 because we needed to get 30 pips. All right. So once you are done adding your stop loss and your take profits, you click on modify. All right, modify. Once you click on modify, you can see it's modified. You click on OK. Then when you look at your screen here, you now see 3 lines on your screen here. You see the stop loss, which is the SL. You see the points where you bought, and then you see your take profits. All right. It means that if this trade goes down, all right, starts selling and hits this our stop loss, it means that we've lost 20 pips, all right, from our account. Or if it goes up in our favor and hits this point, it will automatically close by itself, all right. That's the essence of stop loss and take profit. Stop loss is very important when you're taking your trade, all right. So you need to put your stop loss and your take profit so that you don't blow your account. Blow your account means like you lose all your money, okay, while trading. If you don't put your stop loss and the trade starts coming down, 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 it will keep on coming down until there's no more money left in your account to trade. That's a minus here until there's no more money left in your account to trade, and then you lose everything, right? That's why stop loss is very important when taking a trade, all right? So that's GBP USD. Okay, let's go to Euro USD now and place a sell trade. Let's place a sell trade now so that you guys can understand how it is. All right. So once again, we'll go to new order. New order. All right. Click on new order. Then see the Euro USD here. All right. We've not implemented step loss. We've not take profit. Let us click on sell by market. Sell by market. All right. So our trade is running now. So once again, if you want to modify your trade, come down here again, right click on the Euro USD trade. Look at it there, Euro USD. The first one here is our GBP USD trade. So now we want to modify this. Right click and click on modify or delete. So once you click on modify, now we'll need to input our stop loss value. Someone help me calculate a stop loss of 25 pips on Euro USD, where our entry is, right, hold on, let me get the entry. Okay, our entry is 1.08692. Did anybody write that down?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no, sorry, hold on. Entry price is 1.08697. 1.08697. All right, somebody give me the stop loss of 25 pips. 25 pips. Remember, we are selling. We are selling now. Stop loss of 25 pips. What do we have? Now, if you want to use your calculator to calculate this, what you simply do is if you are repeating the figure on your calculator, don't add the point. All right, don't add the point so that you don't get confused. Just remove the point and just type the 108, let's say 108,697. Don't add the point.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, Mr. Blue.
Yeah, because I've been trying to calculate with the point since, and it's been giving me figures. Jesus.
Okay,
So
okay.
yeah. So
yes.
what I have to do is just calculate direct.
Yeah, just write the figure like that on your calculator without the point. Then after calculating, then you cannot add the point where the point is needed to be added.
That's 108.
The price is 108,697. All right. Now I need you to give me the stop loss value of 25 pips.
I have 108,447.
Come again.
108,447.
1 point. Always add the point back when you're done. 1.08447.
Yeah. Is that right?
I doubt that. Let me see. It's not highlighting. What did they do here? It should be right. Let's see.
I times the 25 by 10.
What?
And
Come
then
again.
the 25 pips, I times it by 10 and then subtracted it from the
Yeah. So we got 1.08447.
it's
I don't know why it's not highlighting. It's supposed to highlight here. That's correct anyway. That should be correct. That should be correct. I don't know why it's not highlighting. Let's see. So you come again. You said you multiplied it by 10 and did what?
and subtracted it now from the value.
No. Remember now we sold.
We are selling
right?
now.
Yeah, we sold. Now we will need our stop loss. We need our stop loss. Now, if you are selling, to get your stop loss, you will add. You will add. This time you are not subtracting to get your stop. If you are buying, you subtract.
Okay, now the stop loss, I will times the and then add it to
by
the
10, then add it to the current price.
To the current price. Oh, okay, let me do that.
So give me the correct figure now.
I can't find the current price. I can't find the current price.
Current price is 1.08697. That's the entry price, 1.08697.
Okay.
I need a stop loss of 25 pips.
Oh, that's 1.08947.
So how did you get that figure now?
I times the 25 by 10 and then added it with the current price.
Okay, all right, that's good, that's good, that's good. So now we need our take profit. All right, so I need a take profit of 102 pips take profit. 102 pips take profit. All right, somebody give me the figure. 102 pips, 102 pips. 102 pips. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. One hundred and two pips, 102 pips. What do we have? What do we have?
I'm still using the same current
Yes,
price.
the same entry price. Yes, the same
The
trade,
entry
right?
price, sorry.
Yeah. Right, let's go. Let's not waste so much time. Let's not waste so much time on this. All right, take profit. Let's go. The price, the entry price is 1.08697. Right. To get to take profit, you multiply the 102 by 10, multiply it by 10, and subtract that figure from your entry price to get your take profit price. So what would that be? Guys, let's go.
That's 1.07677.
1.07677. Okay. So you click on modify and okay. All right. So you can see here, our take profit is down below here. Our stop loss is at the top here. All right. So the price keeps on going down and hit this place, we made our money. But if price goes back up and takes us out, we made a loss on that particular trade. Okay. So let's keep going, guys. Let's keep going. All right. So the next thing we're going to do now is to. I'm coming. Let me quickly. Yeah. Wow.
Can I ask a quick question?
Yes. Ask.
While we were buying to get the stop loss, we had to like times the peep with times 10, right? The peep
Yeah.
value times 10. Hello?
Yeah.
And then subtract it from the entry price
All right.
to get the stop loss while buying. And then for the take profit, the peep price times 10 added to the entry price.
Yeah.
And then while we are buying, the stop loss is the peep times 10 added to the entry price.
Why you are selling?
While we are selling now, yeah.
Okay.
And then the take profit is the peep price times 10 subtracted from the entry price.
Yeah.
Okay, I just want to be sure I was having it right.
Okay.
Thanks.
So while selling, the peep price, the peep value multiplied by 10, subtracted from the entry price to get your stop loss, and then the peep value multiplied by 10, subtracted from your entry to get take profit, or added to get stop loss, subtracted to get take profit when selling. All right. So basically that's the concept, right? That's the concept of it. So up next, well, I've taught you guys how to place a sell trade and a buy trade on the MT4 application right now. So next time I'm going to show you guys how to place pending orders. All right. So pending orders are orders hereby it's okay. The market is currently, let's say market is currently going up And then you say, okay, when price gets to this point, okay, right now, I'm not sure if price will get to that point, but watch, if price gets to this point, please continue buying for me or sell to the down part for me, all right? I'm sure of it that when price gets to this place, when it hits here, boom, it will start selling. Or if it gets to this point here and touches this point, it will go back up, okay? So that's it basically, all right? So if you want to enter a pending order trade, it's also the same thing. You come to this new order here, new order, all right? New order. When you click on new order, in this market execution, you just change it to pending order. Okay. You see buy limit here. You see buy limit, you see sell limit, you see buy stop, you see sell stop. All right. So buy limit, what does buy limit mean? Buy limit indicates that, okay, for instance, now price is coming down. All right, price is coming down like this, and you set a limit here at the down here, a limit at the down here. So okay, once price gets to this point, coming, so let me use this here. Let's say, okay, you place your limit here. This is not picking up. All right, it's okay. This line here, can you see this line? Let me close this. Let me make this line bigger. Come on. This guy, just hold on. Let me make it bigger so you guys can see. All right. Oh, you can see this red line. All right. You are saying that, okay, if price is coming down to this point, once it hits this red line, place a buy order for me. I know that it will go back up again. That's buy limit. Okay. That's buy limit. Then what is sell limit? Sell limit is the opposite of buy limit. All right. Now you place sell limit above the current price. And so, okay, if price gets to this point and hits here, place a sell for me, even if I'm not there. Okay, just like pending order. For instance, you are not able to monitor the market and you want that you have already forecasted or analyze the market to happen in that way, and you know you will not be there at that time to enter the trade. You use pending orders, all right? So you say, okay, once price gets to this point, market automatically, what you do for me, you sell. So even if you're not on your computer at the time price gets to the place, once it hits it, it activates a sell order for you, all right? And you see it, price start going down, it start making you profit, okay? Then buy stop. What does buy stop mean? Buy stop means that price is currently coming up, okay? You place your buy stop above the price level. It's okay, if price is coming up and it gets to this point here, all right? Enter a buy order for me. I know it will keep on going up. Then sell stop is the opposite of buy stop. You place sell stop at the bottom of the price. And it's okay, price is coming down, all right? Once price gets to this, my order here, this point here, continue selling. I know you will keep on selling. As so far you can break this place, it means that there is a strong momentum of sell in the market, all right? Keep on selling for me. So basically, that's just the explanation of buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, and sell limit. All right, you can watch this video over and over again to get the explanation, to understand what we mean by those orders. With time, when you start trading on your own, all right, you get to use these orders most of the time to place your trade, especially if you are a busy trader, all right, someone who has a job and work. You can just set this thing down and trade for you, all right? For example, this is my trade here. I analyzed this trade yesterday night. I analyzed it last night, okay? And I anticipated that when I analyzed this trade, price was still here. So I anticipated that if price gets to this my first pink line here, the first pink line, I know that once it hits it will sell. All right. This place was another place some people would have entered sell, but no. I was not sure. I saw it here. But I was not convinced. I was not sure. I wanted price to do a pullback to this pink line here to give me a trigger to start selling. Okay. Now, when price did that, if I had placed pending order here, it would have just eat it and start selling for me, and I would have just come back from work and saw profit from year to year. Okay, but I missed it because I was so busy at work today. I didn't have the time to enter the trade from here. I missed it. All right, guys. But no regrets. I still caught it from this point. My next peak line. This was my peak line. This second peak line was supposed to be my second entry. All right. So when I came back from work and I saw that price has broken this peak line and is retesting it, and I know it's going to keep on coming down. So I took a sell position here again. All right, to ride it on to this down point. All right, back to our class. That's what we're talking about. Back to our class. Okay. So this is it. All right. So basically that's that. With time, when we learn how to use strategies, analyze markets, I'll show you guys how to insert indicators and other tools we'll be using to trade. All right. So we click on tools here, you see a lot of things here. All right, blah blah blah. Then we click on insert. Click on insert, you see indicators, line, channel, and all that. I don't want to bore you guys with all those things right now, all right, because they are not needed for you right now. All the things you need, we've showed you guys. All right, so these are running trades. All right, let's close our trade. One of our trades is in plus 15, another one is minus 20. We're currently in a loss of minus 0.5. Okay, so when you close your trade, you just right click, all right, close order, boom. So this is a sign telling you just read terms and conditions. You can read it. Then click on I accept on you click on OK. All right. This is your first time of doing it. That's why. So I'm showing you like that. So once you've done that, you can then start closing your trade. Close it. Close that. Let's close the next one. Close our trade. All right. So that's that. That's that. All right. Account history. Let's see. Go to account history. You see all the trade you've taken. All right. These are all the trades I've taken, profit, loss, and all that. Okay. So this account, I'm trying to blow it. I'm trying to make loss and take it down. They gave me 10,000. So I'm trying to find a way to lose the account to, like, let's say 200 and build it from there again with a strategy I'm testing. Okay, this is a demo account, right? It's a demo account. So that's that. What else have I not touched on it? What else have I not touched? Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so basically that's for beginners on how to use the MT4 application. Okay, there are other options here that you can also use to make trading for superb and do your analysis. You can do analysis or trading from Metatrader 4, right? You can do analysis here also, okay, guys. So any question? We're supposed to show you guys how to do the analysis on the phone, Android phone, preferably. But our leader, Mr. Emeka Osho, is not online currently. I tried to reach out to him. All right, he's probably in class. Doesn't live in Nigeria, outside Nigeria. He's probably in class wherever he is right now, and we couldn't do that. But what I would do is I will make a video on how to use the MT4 application on your mobile device, and I will send it to our YouTube channel. Okay, so you guys can watch and go through it. Okay, once again, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and also give us positive comments if you find this content educative. All right, so please subscribe to our channel. All right, so that's our guys in our class. Any question before we wrap up for tonight and get prepared for tomorrow's class. All right, so tomorrow's class we'll be talking about market analysis. All right, so I'll be introducing you guys into the market analysis, how to identify trend, how to get your entry, and how to get stop loss in trade, how to use indicators, how to input indicators on your screen. All right, so we'll be doing that on our tomorrow session and also on our YouTube channel. Okay, guys, so any question, let's wrap up. Any question? Let's take questions, guys.
I don't have any question for now.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Collins. All right. Any question from anybody?
That was blue.
Okay, that was blue. Okay. Sorry about that. Thank you, Mr. Blue. Thank you, Mr. Blue. Any other question? Okay. We're silent on the call, so if there are no questions. Okay. Let's have a good night rest, guys. Let's have a good night rest. I will send the recording on our WhatsApp group, and then you can go through it again to get yourself abreast. So when you are downloading the MT4 on your own, you can actually download it and start using it. All right, guys. So good night, guys. Good night.
Good night. Thank you.